Kelly Slab in Yellowville. And they got a little...
Oh, it's a box turtle. It ain't even supposed to be in the water.
Oh, he fell in.
I can't catch you, pal. I hope you got a video going.
I got one.
Oh, here he goes.
He closed up.
Nope.
He'll be alright once he gets through. Well, see, he got his head above it. At least he floats. If he gets over there more, he'll get to the rocks. Yeah, he's swimming. The little box turtles. Cooling off. He's gonna get there, Tina. Oh, he got there quick. Ah, he made it.
Oh, I hope so.
Well, that's a lot of current he got pushed over there.
Or which one do you think on the other?